Time now to talk about cases and legal issues in the headlines. Attorney Greg Isaacs, thanks as always for being here.
Lori, it's a pleasure.
This one is something a lot of people have been talking about. We reported recently on a shooting out of Bradley County. A woman home alone opened fire on two people, one of them underage, allegedly breaking into the house. Tennessee and a lot of states have laws protecting yourself and maybe using deadly force. So how do these laws work?
Lori, let's talk about self-defense under Tennessee law. We hear about stand your ground in a lot of high-profile cases throughout the country. In Tennessee, we don't have what they call stand your ground, but there is no duty to retreat when you are using self-defense. So if you are not committing a felony or a Class A misdemeanor, you're in a place that you're entitled to be, and you are faced with a reasonable threat of imminent death or serious bodily injury or grave sexual assault, you can utilize deadly force to repel what is being used against you. So
a lot of people have been asking, and they've been asking this for years, say it happens on the front porch before that threshold is breached.
Now again, look, we're going to talk about what happens in the house. That's just if you're in a public place.
Just in a public
Under Tennessee
place
law,
and feel threatened.
You do not have to run. You do not have to retreat. You can use deadly force if you're in a reasonable fear that someone's using deadly force against you.
What about at the house?
At the house, the Castle Doctrine. Absolute, you have the right to use deadly force if there is an intruder in your house. Now, you can't just disregard common sense or a reasonable belief and think that there's a neighbor you don't like that just snuck in accidentally and take out the shotgun.
Yeah.
But if you believe someone is breaking in your house, they're uninvited, they're an intruder, under Tennessee law, you have the absolute right to use deadly force to protect your domicile. But your question is a good one, and I've tried that case, and it's really amazing, the legal line in the sand, so to speak. You're right here, I'm knocking on the front door. You pull the gun, the person says, I'm going to kill you, and falls over backwards. You were not justified in using deadly force. That person comes in your domicile, in your house, threatens you. Doesn't even threaten you. You have the right to protect your home. So really the law draws a very finite line in the sand. But you know, hopefully self-defense, we're hearing far too much of it these days.
Yeah, we are.
All across the country. But just know under Tennessee law, you do not have a duty to retreat. And hopefully that's a lesson you'll never have to learn.
Hope so. All right, Greg, thank you.
Thank you.
And if you have a legal question for Greg, just email AskIsaacs@WATE.com. And remember, we have Greg on for Ask Isaacs every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on WATE 6 on your side.